Squire, does he surrender the field? Not the Squire, since he will not yield for praise.
A bold choice, son.
Black and white knight, you are free to attack.
Yeah, they're giving out low food, y'all. Low grade.
Leave off, black and white knight. The advantage gate is now withdrawn. Take the foot. Continue to pray.
Let's go, Blue! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We blew over there.
Let there be no more of this. Union is unbecoming of men so bold, and so is the honor of these noble houses.
Stay your hand, black and white knight. It is not the way of noble champions to pay lives for sport, be it unbecoming or no. The captain of Valiente yields us his knight.
He does, Your Majesty.
Then release him, nor your friend. Now you may hear the cheers of Santiago.
Whoa!
Make short your realms, my lord. Make they enter your houses together in another test of arms. Take your leave, sir.
Noble king, are not the art of war and deathly wager the dominion of such warriors? By calling for mercy, you deny the hunter's instinct the right to his merry prey.
It is not only mercy, but righteousness that must stay our hands. Many have I spared upon the field of battle, and I am a better king for it today. As for dominion, that right belongs to you, and I does it not.
Oh, yes.
Then trust me in this. Knights slain in times of sport will not benefit us when the time comes for war.
Fine. But without a kill, there's hardly any.
Another lance, another pass, my lords. All the lords!
I don't know.
Two passes with no victor. Dismount.
Oh, I love his. I like his gear. I like that gear. Yeah.
I challenge for yours would-be champion.
What arrogance! What insolence!
That with insolence it is offered.
Enough! Withdraw your weapons at once! To horse the champion.
Obligations as friend or ally will free me of pain. Yet betrayal is never exhausted.
The gage was offered and freely taken.
Shall we permit the challenge, my king?
Indeed, let his final tribute be paid in sorrow, and this duel foretell the future of our realm.
Then all tales of the stage dwell upon the moment when two mighty cavaliers, bent on victory, gave themselves in full labor to the lords of war. Knights, take your places! Knights, speed of horse! champion.
Yet, the task remains.
Accept me, my lord. Chivalry requires us to pay homage, ride forth, champion, and choose from among the ladies of the court one whom we shall call the queen of love and beauty.
Y'all, he won a final battle. Even though we was rooting for blue, he won. The red and yellow team won, y'all. Oh well.
Champion and defender of the bell, Del Bock, a pedalon of the red and yellow knight. Praise of the mighty cheer for all of our hard-working squires. And for Lady Gaius, our queen of love and beauty. Let us now bid farewell to our hosts in praise of the alliance. Lift up your voices for their royal majesties, King Ramiro of Galicia and Queen Luciana of Zaragoza. And now, my friends, band together one final time and raise up a mighty cheer for all of your Knights of the Realm! And so, our legend shall continue. You have been a most magnificent audience this evening. I, Miguel de Guibar, the Earl of Ravenglass, wish to thank you deeply. We wish you...
They got over here. Got some beer. This is the exit.
Hey, when are y'all take a picture of us? You don't mind, please?
Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh.
Okay, y'all want to do y'all intro, outro? Say what's up, Tapping Crew.
What's up, Tapping Crew? We just exited the show. It was actually good. Well, our team lost, but it was good.